We believe this crisis is really shining a light on what's important. If you're like us, you're spending more time talking with family and friends than ever before. We used to use Zoom as a tool for business, but now we're using Zoom all the time to connect with family and friends. Interestingly, Eric Yen, who started Zoom back in the 90s, his net worth has increased by 4 billion since the coronavirus started.
And with this social distancing, an interesting number, on March 23rd, Zoom was downloaded 2.13 million times across the world. And it's been said that this is changing the way of doing business because people are forced to work at home. And what people are finding is this is not only an efficient way of doing business, it's an economical way of doing business. So Zoom could change the way business is done for the rest of time.
Yeah, and so Eric mentioned, and I'm just paraphrasing, that businesses were afraid to let people work from home, but now they're seeing that it actually works. So it's happening. Does anybody remember The Jetsons? It's one of my favorite animated series that projected what it was going to be like in the 21st century. Well, we're here.
We challenged each other for a Jetsons character quiz to see if we could remember the names of the characters.
Yeah. And do you remember Rosie? Rosie the robot that used to do all the stuff in the house? Well, robots are going to be, according to a CEO that you'll see in our blog, bigger than the internet. Saudi Arabia just had a robot become a citizen, gave a robot citizenship. And we have Sophia. And Sophia has the ability to be empathetic and read human behavior. All of us in the future will be working probably alongside robots. And, it's possible to get flying cars already this year.
An interesting quote from Bill Gates. Bill Gates says, "Power does not come from knowledge kept, but from knowledge shared." And that's one of the reasons that we've embraced and become part of the Six-Figure Mentor communities. We truly are trying to be in part of sharing knowledge, encouraging people to learn, get outside of their comfort zone, and mentors that have been leaders in the online business world are helping us get into that mindset. And so for $29.95, it's like buying a book. You can get the online introduction to what it is to be in an online business. So we encourage you to look at this online introduction, and once you've had a chance to read it, we look forward to hearing from you and getting it.
And I'm just going to jump on it in on you today.
Good.
A good friend of ours, Pete, said, and we believe this too, this coronavirus crisis is only going to speed change up. Like, if that's the right way of saying it, it's going to speed things along. We walk down our community streets here. Stores are closing. They're covered in paper. So stores that thought that they could hang on for the next 5 years are probably saying now, let's get online. So in this time when you've got spare time, we just encourage you to use it productively.
And wisely.
And just learn and be part of the future instead of being left behind. We look forward to connecting with you again on Monday. And please connect with us in the meantime just by responding to this email. Bye for now. Stay safe. Stay healthy.
Stay safe. Bye for now.